G'day all, Mr. Shea Play with Shea Play Homestead. We are looking at the garden here, seeing what we got for squash. That's all we got left is squash. So these are all butternut squash, and they are everywhere. I got butternut all over the place, like stacked on top of each other. I don't know how many I got, but there's a lot. Almost everything else died. All my peppers are pretty well done. Big giant one over there. My cucumber trellis fell down. Looks like kind of awful right at the moment, but it did look pretty. Look back at my videos about a month ago. It looked beautiful. My spaghetti squash. There's not too much left of those. This is my zucchini, which I actually just saw some. Right here, there's one in there. I still got some zucchini growing. Not that I need any more. I got this mutant one. I have no idea what that is, but we're letting it ripen. Then if you look over here, these are all the yellow squash that we're getting. But look out to the road. It's crazy. We are less than a foot now. We got some big squash. That one in there. All right, we're gonna go check out. Oh, there's some yellow one. Non-stop producing all summer with those. Over here we have our pumpkin still growing. We only got one pumpkin. So there's Bertha 6.0. Big and beautiful. Oh, there's my two turkeys. Hello, turkeys. She's muddy in there. It's rained for a week straight. So this is my outdoor. Nice big plant. There's my pumpkin growing over here. Pretty decent sized pumpkin. I only see the one pumpkin growing. I don't know what we got going in here. What's up, birds? Little silky roosters. Hey, you're not. Oh, here we got. The turkeys are gonna come see me. A little silky hen. A little silky hen. Hello. What's up? Hey, Bert. Hey, Bert. Look at the colors on that silky. I love them. It's the one I was gonna keep. What are you doing your dance around the head for? You're not big enough for him, for her. That there's Easter agger that we made, a rooster. Just some of them here. Go inside and pick some eggs. She's muddy and full of manure. I need to scrape all this up. I wanted not much eggs in there. One egg. This one here is getting down there. This is the one that looks like Stanley. Look, check him out. Hey Ken, if you're look back at Stanley's pictures, this one thing here looks very similar. Mine is his floppy comb, but he didn't have a floppy comb at first. Yeah, I'm gonna play with that there just for a second. Not much going on here. Some action in the Chez Poulet coop. Hey Sarge! Sarge! That wouldn't be so bad if they didn't have spurs, like really big spurs. But Sarge has like spikes on his. What do you want? You're next on the chopping block. Oh, stop your noise. Move. Get out of the way. Move. Move out of the way. Move. Hey, Frezzo. Oh, we got some eggs in here. Put the light on. Silky rooster sound horrible. Another silky rooster, but his back of his head's getting pecked at. They sound funny. So this feeder's almost empty. Yeah. No eggs in this one. How come? You got birds everywhere, eh? Just looking for eggs. Lots of different roosters starting to crow. I don't even know which one is crowing. Oh, there's some eggs over there. So, just two. Did I take your eggs? Oh, you got an egg in there too. Oh, I can't get it. I can't get it. Too far. Oop, over there. I can't get it. Oh, Charlie, stop. Move. Move.